I need to clean the kitchen, and I want to finish a movie that I started last night, but y'all know that I need a snack. So I'm gonna make some chocolate covered strawberries. They can be setting while I clean and get ready to watch TV. So let's make some chocolate covered strawberries. The last time I posted about it, a bunch of y'all were asking like what type of chocolate do I use. So right now I just have some Hershey bars because I bought a 6-pack, so I have some like left over. But like, I mean, I would just use chocolate chips if I didn't have this. But I love some Hershey's, so wow. We're gonna microwave it in 30-second intervals. Usually after a minute though, like 1 bar, will be done melting. The movie that I started watching last night, it's Saltburn. I don't know. Everyone was talking about it, so I'm watching it, and I'm like 30-40 minutes in. Like, he just arrived at his friend's house for the summer, in case you haven't seen it. I'm not spoiling anything. And nothing has happened yet, but like everybody is talking about it on TikTok and saying that it's like the best movie and like the craziest movie and stuff like that. And I'm like, I don't, it's about like, I don't know. It's pretty boring so far. So like, I'm anticipating that when I get on the couch to be watching it tonight, I'm expecting some crazy stuff to happen because it's just been pretty boring, honestly, the first 30 minutes. I have been totally obsessed with strawberries. Chocolate covered strawberries this pregnancy. I don't know what it is. Y'all know I do not dip these strawberries individually. I drizzle because, listen, I'm not gonna stand here. There used to be a time, like I remember back when I was like, I think we were living in our apartment. I remember we were going to one of our niece's birthdays or maybe her baptism. And I remember I hand dipped Oreos in white chocolate and I decorated them. And just, yeah, no, can't, it's not me anymore. Listen, I don't have the time for that. Oh, all right, so just gonna drizzle this. Drizzle. These beauties are going in the fridge. Put them right here next to my other best friend. Which also, I gotta talk to you guys about that. For my local friends, I keep going to my grocery store and there's been no pepperoncinis, okay? And none of my favorite cheddar cheese. Y'all know I like the specific one, okay? It's a white package with a red label. Cheddar cheese. There was none. They had all the other flavors besides the one I like. Make sure you leave some behind for me, okay? But I'm really glad that you guys are loving the pepperoni and cheese combination. All right, I gotta do some cleaning and then get in my pajamas and then watch the rest of that movie and eat my berries. I hope you guys had an awesome Monday. I will talk to you later. Bye.